Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju, representing Herbalife Nutrition for last 17 years as an independent associate. So today's my topic is, some other people have a misconception that, one day everybody will die. So why should I work hard? Why should I do exercise? Why should I eat supplements? Why should I take care of myself? So this is one of the interesting philosophy question. So everybody, have this with this kind of misconception. They don't exercise. They don't take care of themselves. Very important, mismanagement in their life. So here we are going to address this issue. So before addressing this issue, why nutrition, exercise, and everybody needs to die one day. So let me introduce myself. My name is Gnanaraju. I'm representing Herbalife Nutrition for last 17 years. I was a former Group 1 officer in Government of Andhra Pradesh, worked there for 10 years. I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, marathon runner, cyclist, CPR and AED certified Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. And this is what the Jim Rohn, our famous philosopher, says: few errors in judgment repeated every day gives failure. Meaning, heart attack will not come overnight, right? Few errors in judgment repeated every day gives failure. People think, wrong thing as the right thing. For example, keep people eat biryani and say, did I get diabetes? One day eat, and do you, suppose he ask you that, did I get any diabetes? One day will not get, but kept on eating every day, few errors in judgment every day gives failure. One day ice cream will not give you heart attack, but kept on eating, repeated, failures. Few errors in judgment, repeated every day gives failure. So same way, few simple disciplines practiced every day gives success. You are supposed to eat an apple every day, but if you don't eat apple every day, over a period of time, accumulated negligence pile up in some kind of health problems. So you're supposed to do exercise. If you don't do exercise, joint pains, arthritis, some kind of problems will come, right? Muscles come down, and there's a law of use and disuse. You know it. Whatever you don't use, you lose them, right? So very important. Do you like the same answer if you given by your children? It says, Daddy, I don't want to eat in time. Don't want to get up in time. I will do myself because one day everybody have to die. If you don't like that kind of answer from your children, why do you think God likes you? Same answer from you. We are all same human beings. Adults and the children are the same. So this is the reason why this all depends on our judgment on failure and success. Hospitals and doctors represent sickness health, not exactly wellness health. When you go to hospitals, then you know the value of the health. So these are things happening. Everybody's putting on weight, and in urban India, it's becoming forever, rampant. 135 million adults are obese in India, and particularly diabetes also becoming part of the obesity. Diabetes is becoming common, and rural people also be putting on weight. Global obesity rates have doubled since 1980. So if you understand, the lifestyle totally transformed. The equipment, the things what our ancestors used to use, we are no more using them. And particularly, you can see the gadgets are becoming slimmer, we are becoming fatter. Okay, we are becoming mota, you see. So this is the unfortunate situation. So our ancestors used to do a lot of hard work. We are not doing so much hard work, we are doing smart work. But the food what they used to eat, so we are continuing to eat the same food. In another way, you are using 3G cell phone, but are you using the 3G food? Most of the people, we are not eating 3G food. That's what we are providing here. So our lifestyle habits have to be corrected. Our olden days, whatever people used is totally different from our gadgets, our things. So that's it. You got to treat your body like a temple, okay, but not like a dustbin. Meaning, you should not put on weight. You should not keep anything unwanted things in our body. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, social, spiritual well-being, and not merely absence of any disease or infirmity. This is what WHO says. Meaning by, if you don't have any disease, doesn't mean you are healthy. Okay, people say, I'm healthy, sir. How you know? If you don't have disease, that means you are healthy? No. Okay, so that's the reason why sickness is always defensive, wellness is offensive. With good nutrition, lifestyle leads to wellness, otherwise leads to sickness. So this, what we are going to do is one step ahead, from sickness to survival health to wellness health. And exercise is must, actually. Many scientists saying exercise is a must. At least 30 minutes in a day, or 45 minutes in a day for 4 days or 5 days, 6 days. And childhood obesity is becoming epidemic now. Everybody, even from childhood onwards, is becoming. Obesity is considered the mother of all diseases. It causes type 2 diabetes, BP, heart attack, snoring, cancers, breast cancers, particularly gynec problems, fatty liver, stroke, cataracts, lot of problem, PCOD. A lot of connection is there with obesity. Atherosclerosis is meaning, arteries are becoming clogged and choked with fats. They're becoming narrow and causes, more very dangerous heart problems, including heart attack, right, and stroke and other things. So let's say that this fat in it you should not supposed to have in our body. So particularly visceral fat is more dangerous, deadly. So the liver turns into fatty liver, which is more deadly. The skyrocketing healthcare costs represent 126%, increase in the healthcare costs, particularly $18 trillion are going to be there, expected increase in by 2020, this healthcare costs. So that's the reason why prevention is always better than cure. And if you still depend on our normal khana, these are actually becoming highly toxic because in our pesticide residues are there. Most of our food is adulterated. Improper growing methods, improper storing method, improper cooking methods actually making our food not so healthy. So that's the reason why prevention is always better than cure. You must be knowing the difference between food and nutrition. Many people don't know the difference between food and nutrition. They think everything is nutritious. No, for all the food is not nutrition, but all the nutrition is the food. But unfortunately, in our plate, the whatever we are eating, in that plate, the food what we are eating is not so much nutritious. You see, if 66 to 73% of vitamins are coming down, particularly micronutrients like boron and zinc, they are coming down, depleted, even in the mother nature itself, soil itself. When the mother nature don't have, how can expect in the plant? You tell me. So that's the reason our food is not so much healthy compared with our ancestors' diet. So that's the reason why we are becoming sick every day. 47 crore people are becoming, hospitalized. And as per NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, so we consider as a Bimari Bharat, sickness capital of the world. So good nutrition and healthy active lifestyle, it definitely supports immunity health. But you could be very careful about the food we eat at outside, particularly junk food, fast foods. So with these, actually, we are overfed but undernourished. Okay, we eat too much of sugar, salt, alcohol, fats, refined carbohydrates, but not enough proteins and vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients and water and fiber. So that's the reason why most of the people are deficient in energy. We become tired easily and we become lethargic. So that's the reason why we have to eat our food as a medicine. Otherwise, you have to eat medicine like food, right? Hippocrates, father of medicine, says, let food be your medicine, not medicine be your food. And when food is taken, medicine, food is taken like a medicine, you don't require to go for depend on the medicine, correct? So that means your plate is supposed to be well balanced. And if you don't eat it, most of the nearly all diseases can be traced to nutrition deficiency, as per Dr. Linus Pauling, who was awarded twice Nobel Prize. So that's the reason why we require balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition means, certain ratios of proteins and vitamins and minerals and antioxidants and fiber, water, everything that supports your immunity health. Whereas what we have in Herbalife Nutrition, that's what exactly we try to balance everything in terms of calories and protein, vitamins and minerals and fiber, everything. Plus we also design according to person, called personalized program. We also design according to their lifestyle. Some people will be having passive lifestyle. From there we have to make him to bring him to healthy active lifestyle. The diet will be the same price but in a different style. You have to understand that we are eating 1G food, not the 3G or 4G food, right? 4 generations food. So our we have all these kind of stomach related problems because of our masala, spicy food and other things. So that's the reason why if you don't take care of yourself, the future is going to be very bleak. If you die at once, it's fine. But if most of the people, we are aging, and most of the complications come with the age only. So aging population have this degeneration problems, particularly joints and ligaments, joint pains and other kind of problems, right? So that's the reason you have to take care of your body, prevent, you give the servicing to your body properly. Gaudy body, same. You have to give proper servicing. Then it will not be troubling you at the last. So we have a lot of excellent results on weight gain as well as for weight loss and nourishment kind of thing, nutrition kind of things. And lot of people, you can see this, people got excellent results on the weight and the nutrition and wellness related kind of things. We make them to little workouts and make them to change their lifestyle. So people changed, for example, Babulal, when he came to us, he was like almost about to die. He's like a deathbed, almost exhausted. Now when he is a totally different person, okay, you can see with the same case with Radhika from Housewives, many people have this nowadays, have the common problems like back pain, leg pain, because of a wrong lifestyle and a wrong diet. So that's, you require to understand, this is a lifestyle thing we are required to understand. So this, watch this, sir Madhukar sir, he was already underwent bypass surgery. Doctor said, if you don't lose weight, you are gone. So you can see now he excellently responded to our programs, and you can see the one more testimonials with Appar sir, 66 years, 69 years. Our people are still losing weight. They can improve their stem cells well. So it's called prevention, promotion to wellness. A lot of people are the great examples. That's what we require to do. Watch these people. So when these people could do it, you can also could do it. And this is the highest result, 53 kilos plus weight loss. So when these people, they change themselves and becoming like a better persons for their children's sake, for their family's sake, why not you? So come to us and talk to the person who has referred this video, and to know more about details, we are here. And I myself am the best example. I'm 50 years now. I was, before coming to here, I was as a government officer, a group 1 officer. You can see me there in the white shirt. I was also mota there, district registrar in Khammam in region stamps department. So I used to travel, go in the morning and come back by night. My lifestyle was very bad. A lot of stress used to be, daily tea, 5 to 10 times of tea, coffee, and those kind of things. My totally, from there I changed myself. Then I resigned my job and coming here and full time. And my wife and me both lost weight. I'm 50 years and my wife is 42 years. Now you can see we both are looking good and better and healthier. Otherwise, my lifestyle was very bad. My children also, they grown taller because of using the nutrition. My wife lost weight. You can see there. I'm doing half marathon, up to running up to 21.5 kilometers, and I do cycling for 40 kilometers. I'm a triathlete, right? My children also triathletes. My wife also do workouts. Why do you think we do it? Because we know we require to be well first, right? We have to prevent the complicated diseases, and we have to understand our diet and where, how to do it, what kind of oil to be used. This is like a life is like a snake and ladder. If you don't take care of it, snake will bite you, will come to down. So otherwise, it's like you have to take care and see the opportunities and watch yourself properly. So you, to meet us, they are given you all the details here. So watch us and talk to us and talk to the person who has given you this video, and they'll help you definitely. So please forward this video if you like it. Ultimately depends on the mindset. So don't believe the wrong philosophy that one day everybody have to die. So why should I take care of myself? Why should I work hard? Why should I eat healthy food? No, no, no. You got to be disciplined. Everything starts from here, mindset. Understand that this is a life. You have to be disciplined. Ultimately, then only God gives you everything. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much for watching. Wish all the best to you. Bye.